ADA holders and Cardano fans may look forward to something exceptional in November. If you enjoy Cardano or have considered investing in Cardano, you should read about the founder, Charles Hoskinson. So what is the surprise for ADA holder? Keep watching to get the answer. Thousands of questions from the audience regarding when the cryptocurrency market will see a bull run have been circulating on social media. Since Charles stated that something spectacular was coming in November, we'll monitor that the title is not clickbait closely. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel and greetings. Today's video, will two biggest China economic sectors crushed? So stay focused. You may follow this conversation on Twitter. I adore Cardano because there's always something unique coming, which is why I'm optimistic about it when it comes to anything spectacular coming in November. Long-term investors are tired of maintaining their tenacity and hope, and practically everyone is resentful of their Bitcoin holdings. If a massive bull run appears to be comparable to the visible moon, you must use the best strategy. Charles Hoskinson and IOHK have verified the official date for the Vassal hard fork as November 9. Interestingly, the cardinal price is growing. Whales and investors were interested after the price surged 4% in an hour yesterday. According to Wallet Investor, Cardano will decrease even lower at the end of the year, to slightly over 3 cents before rising to roughly 5 cents by the end of 2023. On the other side, Digital Coin Price predicts an average price of 40 cents for this year. Cardano might drop to 31 cents at the end of 2022, according to Gov Capital. Cryptocurrency specialists have examined the values of Cardano and their changes over the last few years. The lowest ADA price is predicted to fall to $1.25 by 2025, while the highest price will likely be $1.46. The cost of trading will typically be $1.29. In his interview, Hoskinson also highlights the necessity for effective regulation in the cryptocurrency field. Earlier this year, Hoskinson testified before a subcommittee of the U.S. House of Representatives Agriculture Committee to explore the Bitcoin sector. During his speech, he asked lawmakers to prioritize efficacy above strictness when developing suitable space laws. The Alonzo hard fork, which added smart contracts to the blockchain, was scheduled for September 2, 2021. Therefore, anticipation was strong when the ADA price reached an all-time high of $3.10 that day. Following the debut, developers set up over 100 smart contracts. Still, as the chart demonstrates, the ADA token fell in value and was excluded from the November crypto surge that sent the two biggest currencies, Bitcoin and Ether, to new highs. Charles Hoskinson is a co-founder of Input-Output Global, a blockchain engineering business, and the Vehicle Down, a blockchain platform. He entered the cryptocurrency business in 2013 after quitting his consultancy job to start the Cardano Education Project. He joined the Ether team shortly after in late 2013 and is one of the initial creators. He was fired a few months later due to a disagreement over whether the initiative should be for profit or not. He founded IOHK the same year. However, Jeremy Wood, who also worked on the IFA project. Input-Output Global, an engineering and research firm, works on Bitcoin and blockchain technologies. Its flagship project, the Cardano blockchain platform, and its native coin have been extremely successful, but not without controversy. Cardano's glacial growth has been criticized in comparison to the speedier development of rival blockchain projects. Still, the 34-year-old entrepreneur disputed the concerns by claiming that Hoskinson created the platform to survive and overcome competitors. In a recent interview, Hoskinson addresses some of the most recent Cardano blockchain platform improvements and their implications for the platform and the whole crypto ecosystem. He details the benefits of tying a Cardano web capabilities. To access NFTs, decentralized apps, and DeFi services, manage digital assets. Hoskinson believes that Lace, which is already at an advanced stage, might be the trigger that propels Cardano to 1 billion users. He's also excited about how it may help other crypto networks like Cardano and Ethereum. Cryptocurrencies were breaking new records, surprising investors. Things were going well, and several predictions regarding the cryptocurrency market predicted a bull run for Cardano in 2022. Other crypto influencers known as Lark Davis provided several explanations for why the upward trend in cryptocurrencies would continue this year. The phenomenon of Cardano's and the larger cryptocurrency market's protracted cycles and Mark Davis's opinion were already more than just a theory. According to a historical study, the length of each successful Cardano cycle has risen with time, and the 4-year regularity is progressively vanishing. Cardano's price would peak in 2022 due to the longer cycles. On the other hand, the projected peaks in Cardano were substituted by declines. The crypto influencer seemed too good to be true, and he predicted a quick bull run. He also supported Ethereum network improvements to transition to a proof-of-stake technology. It was not the case, since the theory's price did not move considerably due to the Ethereum merger. That has always been the case with the Bitcoin industry. To appease investors and entice long-term holders, it is occasionally essential to suspend cryptocurrency real estate. Several factors might produce a bull run, most of which are unknown. True, 2021 was a fantastic year, and investors are more optimistic about 2022. However, expectations do not match the popularity of cryptocurrencies. History has a lot to give. Cardano's price is decreasing. Ethereum is about to experience an earthquake that might do severe harm, and Cardano is dealing with investor fear and price surges. After the CEO of a crypto exchange cautioned that anything might happen during the current crypto winter, some predict the Fed could soon initiate a bull run in Cardano and other cryptocurrencies. However, suppose the Financial Education Act is implemented in the US. In that case, there will certainly be a tremendous bull market due to the large input of wealth and the absence of any regulatory risk associated with cryptocurrencies. He said that Republican Senators Cynthia Lummis of Wyoming and Kirsten Gillibrand of New York were the first to introduce the Financial Education Act in June, which looks favorable from the Cardano founders' perspective. According to sources, the law's goal is to offer a complete legal framework for the realm of digital assets. The U.S. government's recent efforts to draft a comprehensive that actively aims to oversee the crypto sector's operations with exceptional accuracy have been ramped up. Digital assets, without question, have the potential to drive innovation in novel and new ways, but for the industry to thrive in the face of present market instability. During a 90-minute conversation, Charles Hoskinson elaborates on his perspective, stating that too much scrutiny might destroy the business and eventually hinder the developing crypto sector. If people like Gensler are given greater authority, we may see a massive bear market owing to a flood of litigation. Hoskinson pointed out that the intrusive government forces these struggling company owners out of business. But what do you think about Hoskinson's point of view? It is essential because Charles Hoskinson is recognized as one of the crypto industry's most vocal specialists. He recently mentioned the central bank's digital currencies, or CBDs, and his views as a candidate. In other words, he rose to prominence by cracking down on CBDs. In an interview, Charles Hoskinson remarked that he considered CBDCs the single most dangerous innovation in monetary policy. Many governments throughout the world are looking into this topic. CBDCs, he maintains, are not digital assets. Charles Hoskinson is, therefore, always accurate, and while his defenses have always been tempered with some criticism, they are robust. He and Ethereum Dub recently had a Twitter debate on the theory's limits. Several cryptocurrency values have dipped from their session highs due to the market slump, but they will shortly surge. Cardano has just got many improvements. The Alonzo hard fork was notable. Most people were interested in it, among others, since the update dramatically affected how smart contracts functioned. Cardano has been significantly impacted by the most recent update, the hard fork. Cardano mainnet now has ADA node and CLI support for reference inputs like datums and reference scripts. A Cardano price forecast is a little more difficult than it may otherwise have been because of the rising volatility of the Cardano cryptocurrency ADA in recent months as investors in the project searched for signs of the start of its delayed Basel update. The price of ADA increased when the upgrade was anticipated at the end of the month. However, by mid-July, testing had found issues that needed to be fixed before the hard fork could take effect. Later in late July, the price increased 3 times, but it hasn't been able to maintain any significant increases beyond 50 cents. That's all we have for you today. If you don't want to miss any future videos, subscribe to the channel and switch on notifications. Please participate and share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thank you so much for watching.